Why can't you see it? Where are your glasses? Hello everyone. Although my handwriting is not legible at times, this is not the only reason why students can't read their teacher's ideas. The current situation poses certain challenges. For people in different professions, teachers are not the exception. The coronavirus continues to spread and teaching has to go online and become digitalized. Some teaching techniques might seem unachievable, but there is still hope and a little solution. I'm going to provide you with a short guide on how to use an online interactive board with Google Drawings. Go to Google search engine and type Google Drawings. Good news, it's free. You only need the Google Mail to create such boards. However, your students just use the link. There is no registration on their side. This is our prey, fresh off the hook. You can share the link with your students by clicking the share button in the top right corner. Name your desk either for the whole group, a microgroup, a pair, or even an individual student. Save the link and make it shareable by clicking Get Shareable Link in the top right corner. Here, you can set 3 modes for your students. They can only read it, or they can leave some comments. Or, the most courageous for you, they can edit the document. The potential pitfall is that students might run amok. If they're especially naughty, opt for the comments-only mode. Once you've made your choice, copy the link, save it, and send it to your students. The settings aside, let's get down to teaching. The main toolbar is in the left top corner. We can focus on tools like typing, writing, and drawing. So here is the tool. You can type anything for your students, presumably the answers, but who can guarantee? You can copy the text if you click the right button and choose copy and then paste, or a quicker way is to use a combination of key buttons on your keyboard. Control C. C stands for copy. As you can see, it's quite faster. The next tool is drawing lines, arrows, curves, and scribbles. Lines are ideal for matching, underlining, pointing. As you might have noticed, the board is bigger than just the square in the center of it. It is immense and adjusts automatically depending on the content you upload here. Scanned papers, books, pictures, worksheets, whatever. But why don't we check it out? Let's start with a worksheet in a free domain. So let's have a look. Yeah, you can see my fruitless attempts to delete it. Yeah, because I used my mouse rather too far. Yeah, away at the corner. So go to a separate link like Google Pictures and find something for your class. Make sure that the picture is rather big. Since the bigger the original picture is, the higher quality you have. You can make your students name the objects in the picture accordingly. So you can see I've placed the same 2 pictures, just different sizes, and the quality changed dramatically. Yeah, I would rather choose the one on the right. So this is a sort of a city map where students can name different places, buildings, even actions. Yeah, like walking or playing. So they can use the same insert, word art, typing kind of tool in the toolbar in the left top corner, and then copy, or you can make some beforehand. You can also put the words and save it for, since if they're essential for you, you can save them and put them aside. What is next? Why not to fill some gaps? In Google Pictures, I found a worksheet, and by using the left button of my mouse, I dragged it to my online board. You can adjust the size, making it easier to type the answers. So it's almost the same with pictures. I've just shifted the phrase. Why can it disappear? Actually, there is a certain order among pictures. To bring our typing back, I click the right button, choose orders, and send to back. And here it is. Optionally, you can insert new typing areas through Insert Word Art. Once it is here, I usually copy it for my students using a combination of buttons Ctrl-C and then Ctrl-V. Once your students are savvy, they can do it on their own. To type the answers, a student needs to click twice on this phrase or question mark. As an option, I would change the color of the word or phrase with a mistake. As soon as a student corrects it, I change it to green. Also, you can omit the wrong letter. Yeah, definitely there is room for that. The third type of exercise is matching. I just follow the same routine. Go to an electronic scanned page or picture and drag it to the board. After cutting some unnecessary parts and making the right size, the students can start matching. Again, the change of color is a way to monitor and give some feedback. So as you can see, I'm drawing some arrows. Yeah. So, okay. Oh, it's definitely a mistake. So why not to make it red and slightly thicker? And here it is. Yeah. So, I'd like to finish with the listening type of exercise, where we quite frequently have different answers from the students. In order to avoid a mess, I'd recommend on creating a table with a separate column for every student. For this, go to Insert, Table, choose a number of columns depending on how many students you have. So as you can see, I've put 7 columns since I have 7 students in this group. I would also change the background color into gray and draw the lines, make them dark, black, and just make it slightly bigger. Yeah. Students put their names in lines, and we leave the columns for their answers. As you can see, it might be just through using entered without any separate lines. This presentation covers only a small fraction of all the potential ways how teachers can integrate the techniques into a user-friendly environment of Google Drawings. Although it would be quite naive to say that this tool can replace real classrooms, still it can provide us with some useful and less painful ways of how to keep on teaching and working with our students in this situation. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.